Sorry about that, I accidentally pressed the stop record button. So we're gonna microwave this for 4 more minutes. And then we're gonna, to make a long story short, we're gonna take it out after the next 4 minutes. With the tongs, we're gonna kind of knead the noodles. So that way, it gives it the consistency of kind of like Japanese style noodles, which I've recently, kind of been accustomed to ever since I found out how to make top ramen in the microwave. I don't have a cupboard full of it like Weird Al, but got enough for 3 more microwavable meals. Don't have much in this cupboard. Got 1 more chicken noodle left. Stuff from with a little bit of cold. I guess San Giorgio runs in my family as the family's go-to pasta. Yep. I washed a lot. So I washed the roasting pan lid. I got 4 lids here and there. And I got a pot washed. So maybe tomorrow I'll get more work done. I guess I'm gonna post this for shits and giggles. And YouTube, do not copyright me, because all you can hear is the sound of my voice talking and the humming of the microwave. I don't want no bullshit copyright lawsuit like I got with my shaving the beard video. Alright. Hope you wise ass is smarting up over there at YouTube headquarters. Yeah. It's pretty soon. Minute and a half. Take it out, and we're gonna knead it up like, well, with the tongs we're gonna knead it up like, like we're baking dough, baking bread dough. It's a weird word, dough. So, what's up? YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, all down there. Comments, comment away. I might answer some of them, I might not. Fucking around. So, how was your holidays? One was eventful. I think something karmically bad is gonna happen every Christmas Eve. Like, it's just inevitable. Like 2011 I had something happen. We had a family issue that happened just this past Christmas Eve, 2013. Okay. Okay. So, I'm gonna take this out. It does not look good. So, like I mentioned, gonna eat it like bread dough. Sometimes that happens. You gotta untangle the noodle. I think this is a more stronger microwaver. Yeah. Eat it like bread dough. In the past, I used to, when my mom used to make it on the stove. She or I would put like 5 ice cubes in it, but I've gone past that and I can appreciate eating it as is, you know. I don't eat it with the tongs, I eat it with, you know, a fork. Which I'm gonna get right now. This one. And that is how you make ramen noodles in the microwave.